All right, here I am once again. This is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. I'm at a brand new house. This one here has the attached two-car garage and then also the detached garage there in the back with the big concrete pad on the side. The home itself is 2307 square feet, brand new on one level, and 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus the two-car attached garage, and then the oversized 2-car, 4-car, whatever you want to call that detached garage back there. It's got the nice big iron door, and we'll go in and take a look. And the detached garage on this one is 21 feet wide and 30 feet deep with a 18-foot wide by 12-foot tall door. It does have the exposed aggregate accents here, has the windows in the garage, the keypad, and then the exposed aggregate entryway. Here's a better look of the entryway. It has the big 8-foot tall iron door, the side light, and then the transom window above. All right, coming in the entryway, you've got the wood look porcelain tile, the very tall ceilings with the shiplap and the beams, stained grade beams. And then this is a coat closet. You'll notice it's the 6-panel, 8-foot tall doors. The arched entryway off to this, down this hall here. There's no carpet in the entire house. It's all the wood look tile, so it's kind of nice for somebody that has pets or allergies or things of that nature. You come on into the great room area, and without furniture or throw down rugs and stuff. It is a little echoey with all the tile. Just pardon if it is a little echoey on the video. You'll notice there's the gas fireplace there in the corner. It is a natural gas fireplace. You got your entertainment center here, the coffered tray ceiling with the ceiling fan up in the middle there. And then you do have your outlet here in the floor. And that takes you into the laundry room and 2-car. We'll go over there, but you have your corner kitchen with the nice floor to ceiling stained grade cabinets. It's a naughty alder with a dark walnut stain. Granite countertops. Travertine backsplash. This door here in the dining nook area takes you out to the RV parking concrete pad and the detached garage. And the wall here on the dining is a shiplap wall. And there's the other door here that takes you out to the back patio. It too has the exposed aggregate back there. And there are blinds built into the glass here. They're just up all the way so you can see better. Okay, and then it has the 4-burner cooktop, and then it's the vented range hood that does suck the air out. The composite sink, granite composite, has the soft close doors, the stainless steel appliances. There's a better look of the great room. And here is your pantry. I do have an outlet there if you want to put something right there. And then this is another storage closet here, once again with 8-foot tall doors. And then over here towards the 2-car garage, you have your mud bench. And that's the same material as the cabinets, a stained grade naughty alder, dark walnut. You have your laundry room. It can go natural gas or electric. You got the cabinets up above. It's the shaker style. Sink here in the corner. Granite top, a little more storage area here. Off of the 2-car garage right here, you do have the powder bath, and once again it has that wood look tile. They did a little decorative shiplap behind the mirror here, and then your toilet room there. After all these videos of the RV garages, when I come into a standard 2-car garage, I forget how much smaller they are than the RV garages. So this door is 18 feet wide, 8-foot tall. And then the depth on this is approximately 22. It's probably 22 to this wall, not where the water heater pops out. It is plumbed for a water softener and a recirculation pump. You can't really tell because that door is right there in the way. And then the man door out to the side there. And then coming back towards the entryway, going down this other hallway to the other 3 bedrooms. You have the full Bathroom here with the linen cabinets, granite tops, porcelain shower. Room 1 here. You'll notice it's the 3-tone paint and then all the tile throughout. And then bedroom number 2 here. Once again, all the tile. And across the hall is bedroom number 3. And then off of the great room here, down its own hallway, you have the master bedroom. This is another linen storage closet here. And then you have your Nest thermostat there. Looks like they were working on that. And then you have the coffered ceiling with the beams, and then also the stained grade tongue and groove, and then the ceiling fan. It does have the can lights as well. And once again, it's all the wood look tile, porcelain. And then you come into the master bathroom and you have your jetted tub right ahead with the privacy glass there. You have one closet over on this side, and then another closet over here. And then your toilet room in there with a window. And then you have your granite countertop there. And then your other granite countertop and vanity over here. And then into your walk-in tiled shower. And it has the travertine on the floor, the deco strip glass tile running clear to the ceiling there, and the 12 by 24 porcelain tile running vertical with the bench. And then here's inside the closet a little bit better, just because of the lighting was pretty poor when I first came in here. They're pretty much the same, but just give you a little better idea. Look at the jetted tub and the travertine all around. Before I head out to the detached garage in the backyard, the cabinets here in the lawn or in the garage do have the under cabinet lighting. We'll go take a look. There's the man door into the side of the RV garage. And then you got the door here into the dining nook. You got your plumbing for the electrical for the 220. And then here's the detached garage, 18 feet wide by 12 foot tall door, 21 feet deep by 30 feet, or 21 feet wide by 30 feet deep. And then here's your backyard. Pretty good sized backyard, plenty of room for a pool. All right, and then into the detached garage. It's 14 feet tall ceilings. It has a LiftMaster MyQ. It's 30 feet deep and approximately 21 feet wide. It does have the 220 plug there too. Pretty good sized garage. You could probably easily fit, well, I don't know, depending on how deep they are. You could fit a few cars in here probably, but some toys or a lift or whatever you want. But yeah, insulated walls, and it has the saw cut concrete. And let me just give you a better idea of the size of the yard from back here. It has the cinder block walls on all the sides. And then nice covered patio. And once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. You can find me online at mystghome.com or give me a call on my cell, 435-313-1525. Thank you. Talk to you later.